Now I am.
I can't even chew it. Because, oh my god, it's like, my braces. I can't even reach it.
Mr. Leo, do you know where your dad is? Yeah, there's like how many questions. Mr. Leo, do you know where your dad is? They need help.
Okay, the next one.
Go, Anna, go. I'll eat it with you. Ready? I'll eat it with you.
Yeah, because see the square, is that the one where it's like,
Oh my god!
like 5x squared.
We do take
It's the
it.
Put this on YouTube. No. I'm gonna get so many hits. Yeah. Oh. It's like in my throat. It's like hanging there, you know?
My hook here. I like it. Mine's not
Nah,
anymore.
true.
You missed it.
True. I can't even. It's not true.
Yeah, then it's sweet, huh? Then it's nice. I don't like sweet. Doodle, if you heard it before,
Cindy, eat one.
go back and forth, you can hear all this.
No, it doesn't affect me.
Oh.
It really, like, I'm like immune to sour.
Oh, I want.
Holy crap, how can this eat that?
Boring.
It is too, right? They're like, yeah. It's right here. Aha! There you go. Big deal.
Oh, it's so sweet. Okay, it's sweet now. It's sweet now. No, it's not. Wait.
Yeah, it is.
Dingle.
I love sour.
Dingle. Dingle? Dingle in Japanese.
Apple,
right?
Do you guys have
My
cookies?
New Year's Halloween.
Yeah, I know. I voted for yours. Do you want a cookie?
No.
Like my period when to